reply to Star Question 88. A, sir, the Honorable Supreme Court, by judgment dated 3rd July 2019, in Civil Appeal number 10720 of 2018, directed that the entire extracted coal lying at various places shall be taken over by Coal India Limited for disposal and auction as per rules of Coal India Limited. B, sir, the auction process to dispose the extracted coal by Coal India Limited is commenced and the first auction will be conducted shortly. C, sir, does not arise in view of B above.
Yes, Amendo.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Sir, as per the answer in A, extracted coal lying in various places shall be taken over by Coal India Limited for disposal and auction. May I know from the Honorable Chief Minister, the auction of coal will be from different sites or designated depot?
So it will be from designated depots.
May I know from the Chief Minister, how many such depots are there and in which location and area?
Sir, as of now, government has notified 11 designated depots. I don't have the exact location, which places they are, but they are in East Jayanti Hills, West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, South Garo Hills, in these districts, sir. But I don't have the exact location, but 11 have been notified and designated as of now.
So out of all these 11 depots are completed as per the infrastructure instructed to be carried on for the action?
Sir, the work for infrastructure has been completed in 6 depots.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Chief Minister, out of the 6 depots, coal has been transported from the sites to these depots?
So the process is on.
So the process is on for transporting in the 6 depots. What will be the quantity of each depot to be holding?
Sir, I don't have the exact depot of what is the quantity to be put in each one. That information is not available with me, but the transportation is going on. These depots, at the end of the day, in each district, there are certain quantities of coal that are there. And like, for example, sir, in East Jayanti Hills, West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, and South Garo Hills. So, based on the requirement and based on the amount that comes in, the auctions will take place. So the amounts vary, sir. So today, for example, in East Jayanti Hills, we have 54,000 metric tons that has been transported and that is going to be auctioned. In South Garo Hills, 9,000 metric tons. So like that, sir, the process will continue till we are able to dispose of the entire 32.56715 metric tons, sir.
So we are talking...
That's the last question.
So, okay. Let me know from the Honorable Chief Minister, how is the bidding price determined and how much will be paid to the Coal India for its handling charges?
So the NGT in the recent order has put the minimum base price at 4,850 rupees per metric ton, and the bid value will be based on the bidders who bid, and then it has to be, as I said, above the 4,850, and whatever the bid value comes out, 10% of that amount goes to Coal India.
One last question, sir.
No, it's all right.
Madam-
Please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, from the replies of the Honorable Chief Minister, to start question 88B, the replies is like this. Sir, the auction process to dispose the extracted coal by Coal India Limited is commenced, which is in present indefinite tense. And the first auction will be conducted shortly. So it is a little bit ambiguous on my part, so I would like to get better clarity on this.
So the reply is very simple, that the process to auction it out has commenced, and now because it's a long process, the bidders have to register in the portal. Once the bidders have registered in the portal, then after that, the lot that is there, this entire lot. The lot details which are prepared is then finally given to MSTC, and then MSTC further then puts up the bidding online, sir. So therefore, what the reply is saying is very simple. The process has commenced, and the first auction will be done very shortly from East Jayantya Hills, which is that the lot details have been now given to MSTC, and MSTC now will put that up in their website for bidding.
Sir, in that case, if the first auction is going to be conducted very shortly, what about the auctions conducted in the third quarter of this financial year? Is it not connected with this?
So I don't know which one is referring to. I'll need more details on that, sir.
No, there has been auction given by, made through the respective deputy commissioner in East Jayantya Hills and South Garo Hills in the third quarter of this financial year. I was talking about that part, whether it is not connected with this.
No, sir. It's not connected with this. That is the seized coal. This is a different lot of the Coal India extracted coal, sir.